You've got a shiny new vehicle and you're almost ready to roll. It's an exciting time. Before you pre-program your favorite radio stations and adjust your seat, let us fill you in on some important info about vehicle ownership you may not have considered. New vehicles come with a manufacturer's warranty, and it covers a lot of stuff, but it doesn't cover everything or last forever. And one thing is for certain with owning a vehicle, at some point in the future, an unexpected breakdown can happen. And as vehicle technology increases, so do the repair costs. One way to help limit your out-of-pocket repair costs and keep you rolling is with a vehicle service contract from CNA National. Here's how it works. Our service contract extends beyond your manufacturer warranty and covers many additional parts and expenses. For example, let's say your manufacturer's warranty has expired and you have a failure in your engine or in one of many other components covered by your service contract. Normally, you would be on the hook to pay for that repair yourself. Instead, when you have a service contract, you simply bring your car to the dealership service department or one of thousands of licensed repair facilities across the U.S. and Canada. The repair shop will diagnose the problem and submit your claim. Then, instead of you having to pay for the repairs, we take care of those covered costs. And for added peace of mind, we offer roadside assistance, lodging, and rental car reimbursement, all to help you get back on your way. The unexpected? Not a problem. So, make sure you get the most out of your new vehicle investment with a vehicle service contract from CNA National. You'll be glad you did.